are not even going to.
My people, our beautiful sister, Nollywood actress. Our finest, our beautiful sister. She don't come and say, she don't know Adam. Abi she know Adam. Abi she don't know Adam. My people, now watch the video. Now about herself. Can't look at whether what she do talk na true or what she not do na lie. First of all, welcome to Naija Daughter TV. If today the first time of coming across Naija, do well to join this beautiful family. Yes, I see this our actress Omotola. Who no know Omotola? Who no know Omotola? Eh? Who no know Omotola? Eh? Our sister Omotola, she don't come aside. They interview her for one station. She say she talk a lot of things, but the one where you really drag my liver, I call me one love talk good. First of all, she say she can do anything after the death of her father. She can do anything, whether prostitute, just to secure her younger brother. She never hear her. She never hear her. Go and watch it. Okay, I will leave it. May you watch. She said she can do everything to secure her brother. May they not take his brother away from him. Say na prostitute na anything. He vow say he go do am. Then rumors of Adam Oshomole say he do vagaran. He come post that. Maybe na person when he tell say she can do anything to secure her brother. The person will say maybe he see Akpolukele with her. The woman say she don't even know Adam Oshomole. You believe? She said she don't know Adam Oshomole for any place at all. But how some people now just paint like where I never go America before. Person go just say Naija Daughter Family TV. She don't date America. When I never carry this my clean leg enter America or Canada. Now just put that lie for my head. How? Because people like now waiting people talk or waiting we see now we they talk. We don't be saying now we they break down. No, now waiting we see for street. Now we they deliberate on. Because when this lady come they say she don't know Adam Oshomo like I say person don't know Adam Oshomo. Say never ever meet her one on one. Person not meet Adam Oshomo. They never meet Adam Oshomo. How could you guys just carry that rumor just pin and the thing just goma like this? The thing goma mo. The thing over goma. I don't know whether na my ear, I be my eye knife or be like that. The thing goma, my people. I can't shortalize. When I say she say she don't know Adam Oshomo, I say, are you for real? Are you telling me the terror? Am I sleeping? Wake me up. You don't know Adam Oshomo for anywhere. My people, I can't bring her come from that table. She narrate how she tell us her dad, how she be daddy pelt, how she take travel to where she travel go, whether my Madiguli Abi, I don't know. I don't remember where they talk the state. He say later they come say make they come carry her, come put her for a side flight. As she reach house, she see say sad place, sad things they happen for their house. Who can be say he don't die? Who be that person when he die? She come they ask herself. Behold, the brother come outside. Behold, she see her mama. I don't know say na dad. Oh, daddy pet. He dey pay. Who be daddy pet? He dey pay. Daddy pet. He say she freeze. He say from there, nothing they shake am again, nothing they sugar cane am again. She say she's strong, like say nothing go ever fit move her. Are you the one when you want move her? You say get behind me, you. Say you no dey fear nobody. He say you don't meet president one on one. He say I no dey fear you. You know they fear. It good, my beautiful sister. It's good to get that kind of mind for sometimes. For some places, it good to get that kind of mind. But some, as you stand for your family, say, I stand for my brother. I stand for my say. She said she even young. When she go sit down like this, cross her leg, her dad will say, make cross. You say, do you know you can? She go say, yeah, dad. Hey, daddy petty. Oh, yo, daddy. Now, so she talks, my beautiful people. You know that this is my China. I know they too, they put on. It one will just put on hash. The one will still say, now just play. I still put on play. Because nothing they this world. Now one life, now we got. Not be every time with the first. Not be every time with the shout like, at least sometimes we still make a joke. Use somebody reaction video to make a joke. It good. When she really talk, she said she don't know Adam Oshomole, but she be say she go do anything to make her family, mostly her brother, so they were not take her brother away from them. Glory be to God. She's okay. She don't marry. She's living well. Look at the way she look beautiful. No, she really fine. She really fine. Now get her for front and back. No, you not get her for front. Now the back. Talk. What do you get to talk about this our Nollywood actress, Omotola? Now she don't move to America. Yes, so now what she talk, what she say she don't do. Adam Oshomole not do anything. No, you know Adam Oshomole for anywhere.
I came to this interview saying, they can't break me. So you are not even going to we fight you to the last of my breath. But now you are going into a topic
But
jazz.
I've always wanted to ask about that.
I think everything I have been, positively or negatively, was solely because of that. My father's death. It affected me so much, I didn't even know how much. I didn't mourn my dad. They picked me up from school. I was just 12. I'm understand that I'm very close to my dad. I was an only child for a long time, and my dad and I were just, and my dad was the manager of Lagos Country Club. Now, Lagos Country Club was the only club. The Korean club was just trying to grow teeth that time. All the presidents, everybody was there. So my dad was like the hip man, everyone. And as you're walking, everybody's turning to you. Some wailing, some looking in slow motion. I still remember the feeling. And I kept thinking, who is going to greet me first? Who am I going to strike out of the list? Then I saw my younger brothers. Then I walked up the stairs. Then I saw my mom. And I froze. Because it now dawned on me it was my dad. And so I didn't know how to react. I didn't know if it was the guilt of me thinking it shouldn't be him. I was too young to process it, or the fact that I have truly missed him now that he's dead. I won't see him again. Or that I'm angry that I didn't spend enough time with him because he didn't spend enough time with me because he shipped me up to Kaduna. I didn't know what I was feeling. And so I was just there. I was numb. I was really numb. And now that I'm older, I think I understand it, but then I didn't. So I just became emotionless. And it has affected me to this day. There's hardly anything you say to me that can almost move me.
For our sister, Nollywood actress, Mercy Johnson. He sing, Emo Sewume, Awaye, Emily Getume, Awaye. Oh, me, I know because I be singer. Hey! Come on, Mercy Johnson. That's why you sabi speak Ishana. Adame. Adame, no malakame, si me kegbe, Adame, no malakame. Says Mr. Johnson. Speak Ishan like say, they chop around. Mr. Johnson. Oh, I they sleep, I be wake me up. I can't say my sister, they speak Ish, even speak Ishan pass me one beard. Who? I beg go. I beg my people, our wifey, Mercy Johnson, Okoye, she appreciates the Asian land, the Esa land. She say una buno, say una buno, una buno, una buno, una buno, una buno. He say una do well. Una vote to her husband, una vote her husband. He say her husband, portfolio be her husband. Poly this thing, if full, if they throw away for ground, if they throw away for ground. He says, shout yeah. He children say, well yeah. I say, merci kolo kolo. Don't they chop? Don't they chop edo? From where? Kongi. Don't they chop? Well, they see they good. They see they quick. They hear language. You shortalize me, our wifey. Congratulations, Mrs. Johnson, for your husband win, for your husband milestone. Congratulations, you deserve it. You deserve it for our land. Why not? You over deserve it. You deserve it. Okay, you not deserve it. Because they speak our language. Me, I know they France for many years. I know Sabio. The language is hard. And you can't they speak Esan. Hey, me, I know who speak the Esan. And people are going to live now. Congratulations, Mr. Johnson, and Mr. Johnson's husband, Audion Okoye, Mr. Johnson, Okoye. I congratulate you now. Yes, they win like Senate. Yes, Senate. I'll be Senate. Now her husband win. Yeah. Our Asian people, now do well when I vote for Audion Okoye. Now do well. Congratulations to your family. Yes, so. Yes, sir. I mean, I said better. Jesus is my yes, congratulations. Okay, Maxine Johnson. Congratulations. I just want to get to tell now, my people, if you never subscribe, do well to subscribe to this beautiful family. Watch Missy Johnson video where she for sing, for appreciate all the Esan land. Yes, he appreciates everybody. Okay, I'll meet you now in my next video. Do well to join this family. If you never subscribe. Now so we be. That's why they do my own. I will laugh. Sometimes I will sharp. I will shout. I will do. Sometimes I'll stick with time. Nothing in this world. We have one life. Mr. Johnson, congratulations. Yes, Mr. Johnson's husband just win for APC. Yes, be like saying APC now, Party B. They just win. They win Senate. They go. They want rule. They go. They want rule. Yes, for Eastern land. I like Mr. Johnson for one thing. I should come outside now. Come appreciate his audience and his follower. Also, our if I don't mention my sister, wait till I get now, our sister, our Nollywood also, our Nollywood Regina Daniel, Regina husband still win, I believe say your husband don't release all those people when pockish for inside prison before he win am. If you not release and the village people they still vote for am. Congratulations, Regina. Husband named Nwoko Daddy Asaloto. Congratulations to you, sir. Congratulations to Regina Daniel. Congratulations to everybody. As you now get to that post, please, may una do well. I too now see the verse when Nigeria verse. The next one, it go hot past like this. The next one, if not say, if person not respect himself, that respect person, when people they give, they'll collect. And now Nigeria do now this election. So, may una respect una self. May una do the work. Wait till they carry una, they go down office. As una reach them, may una come out eye for all those wardrobe allowance. May una do the normal thing. May una not use my money to impress oppress people. They use their money to bring person down. No, not be that one with the vote una put. We vote una to do well for our country, Nigeria. My people, may una congratulate Regina Daniel and Mercy Johnson. Yes, two of them, their husband win. Be like the other one a PDP, Regina Daniel. The other one a APC. That is Mercy Johnson Okoye from my place, Exam. From my place, Edo State. Precisely, Exam State. Exam City. Hey, I'll see you in my next video. Ciao.
Emmy ni nervio seme olwole olwole o se no bla olwole eso ye agbazilo ye imeno oya hano seva Mercy Johnson Okoje again wa regbe na meda vido viva niba hwea bari be odome vepeti hell bari be da dagbare bara luole ba okida luole gbe epe so do me da avun oda pakwa eniko omo ni ko mu fo bi keke oide bari be obulu enipe a bari be obulu o seno black jiba me o obulu all the way we know gene mata gene no gene odo me where we know gene mata gene no
last, now everybody go to breakfast.